In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a waitlist on Convertkit. Whether you're preparing for a product launch or simply want to gauge interest before releasing something new, a waitlist can be an invaluable tool for gathering leads and building excitement. To get started, open up your web browser and head over to the Convertkit website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you're new to Convertkit, take a moment to register. The registration process is straightforward, and Convertkit will guide you through each step. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Grow section, where you'll find the Forms option. This is where you will create your waitlist form. Click on the plus New Form button to begin. Here, you'll need to decide on the type of form you want to create. For a waitlist, you'll want to choose Landing Page as your form type. This will provide a dedicated page where potential clients or customers can easily sign up. You'll then be presented with a variety of templates. Choose one that fits the aesthetic of your brand, or if you're feeling particularly creative, you can start a design from scratch. Now it's time to add your content. Start by crafting a captivating headline that speaks to the value or excitement of your offering. Follow this with a clear and concise description of what your waitlist is for. This keeps everything transparent for those signing up. You should also add relevant fields for personal information, like email and name, to keep in touch with your future audience. If there's specific information you'd like to gather from your waitlist participants, consider adding custom fields. Maybe you want to know what aspect of your product they're most interested in or what platform they use the most. This step is all about tailoring the form to your needs. With the content in place, you'll need to choose a URL for your landing page. Think of something memorable that aligns with your product or brand. As an additional incentive, consider offering something special for those who sign up, like a discount or exclusive content. Once everything looks polished, make sure to save your form. Don't forget to double-check each section to ensure that all information is accurate and engaging. The next step involves setting up an automated sequence for your waitlist subscribers. Navigate to the Send section and select Sequences. Click on plus New Sequence to begin creating a series of emails. Name it something like Waitlist Welcome Sequence to keep things organized. Your first email will be crucial. It's your chance to introduce your brand, explain the purpose of the waitlist, and thank participants for joining. This builds rapport and sets expectations. As your list grows, you might want to add more emails that nurture these subscribers, providing updates, sneak peeks, or exclusive content related to your upcoming product or service. It's a great way to keep the excitement alive and maintain engagement. And that's it! You've now set up a waitlist on Convertkit. Follow these steps, and you'll have a waitlist ready to help launch your next big idea.